In today's program, I wanted to show you the real experience on the cruise ship. We started in Malta, in Valletta, when I got the tickets from SMSMondial. It's the local travel agency which makes beautiful memories. The idea is to help you understand if you would like to try it for yourself, and as well to show you how it actually is. So without further ado, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Here is our studio. Very cute. Let's have some fun. And here is the place that I spent most of the time with. Adults only area. Jacuzzis on the sides. Nice pool in the middle. Beautiful relaxing spot. Books are ready. Chill.
So let's go.
Everyone's favorite spa. Quiet, please. In my favorite room, sauna for days. Something nice for the ladies. Food during the day. Nice daily you get this kind of update about tomorrow, the weather, the time we arrive, and some information about the city we're gonna go to. I think one of the best parts of being in the cruise is that you wake up every single day in a completely new location, hence this beautiful view behind. So all you need to make sure is that you have a space on the camera, because you're gonna need it a lot. This cruise has quite few stops. It's almost like a half of Italy, but as well there is one special stop. More about it soon. The morning view of Napoli. So if you live in Malta, SMSMondial is your place to go. They have quite wide range of entertainment for you, different cruises as well. So 2026 can be your year. And I think now is the time to move to the most important subject, which is the food on the cruise ship. And let's start with this. The food is almost like 24 hours buffet available, and then you have plenty of choices. So be careful, because it's very easy to put on weight. And to start with, you have around like 10 restaurants and maybe 15 to 20 bars.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So I think we should start with breakfast.
Rise and shine. Washy time. Enjoy your eggs and basic.
Thank you. If I can ask for the omelette, please.
Omelette,
Definitely with cheese.
cheese,
Can be with those, I think, peppers.
of course.
Tomato is a good idea. And some mushrooms, please. Breakfast with the view. For the mornings like that. Beautiful. Perfect table. Thank you. Sure, let's try that.
Yeah, I'll give you.
Hi, good evening.
Hello.
Enjoy your lovely dinner. It's Mexican night. Arriba.
Thank you. That's how the team greets you when you come back from the city. The long day of sightseeing, walking and whatnot. Always fun. During the holiday, always very important to stay active. So now, gym. Nice and quiet at the time of the day. Fantastic. Training with the view, obviously. Very spacious. Amazing. Nice. Never easy, but the feeling is always worth it. This is how the tendering looks to the location. Because not every places has the port accessible for it. And here is our secret location. Welcome to Cannes. Today will be a fantastic day. Here we are, this beautiful journey came to the end. We are in Vatican. What a beautiful couple of days. If you're in Malta, SMSMondial is your place to go to have a beautiful holiday. Thank you so much for watching today's program. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to help. And for now, I go to enjoy Vatican and Rome. See you soon.